Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk pen tablet. I have Veikk A15, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the pressure sensitivity, pen pressure sensitivity on this device. To do it, firstly you need to open the Veikk tablet application. Then here, choose pen in the left panel. And here we have our pen, and now, for example, when I press in on using my pen, of course not the mouse but the pen, pressing on my tablet, I can check the sensitivity. If you wanna make it harder, so make it in this way. So now I need to use more power to press on it and to get maximum points of pressure. If you wanna make it lighter, so you can do it, but when you will make a really light press, if you will create a really light pressure, you will create the maximum pressure. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.